In this CapCut tutorial, you will learn how to transform boring text into dynamic and eye-catching overlays that instantly upgrade your video content. Whether you are editing for YouTube, TikTok, or any reels for any creative project, this step-by-step guide will help you design professional-looking text animation with ease. So let's get started. First, head to the media and go to the library and click on the trending and select any trending video clip. For example, I'm selecting this one, put on the timeline, and now head to the video tab on the right side and click on the mask and click on the add mask and click on the text and drop down and type the desired text. For example, I'm writing moon and make it resize, adjust the placement and make it bold and use a bold font and let's play it. That's much better. Now right click and create compound clip and now move this clip to the one up layer and now go to the your main video. For example, I'm selecting this one and put on the timeline and now adjust the text to the main media and now cut it to adjust both clips. Now let's play it how it looks. Yes, you can see that how you can overlay that. You can also change the position of the text to here and now play it how it looks. This is beautiful. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.